Okay, so in this problem, you're still going to use Excel. I just wanted to talk about part D. Suppose 5 customers selected, two that were responded were very satisfied. So 2 out of 5. It says at the top that 95% are very satisfied. So 2 out of 5 is only 40%. So you would do the probability of 2 in Excel, and this is the number that was calculated. So 0.0011, that's the probability of only 2 being satisfied, which is very unlikely. That's a very small probability. It's very unlikely that randomly selecting 5 customers would result in 2 being satisfied, because 95% of 5 customers is almost all 5 customers being satisfied. So this probability would be very small. On question 11, you're still going to use the Excel function, but I wanted to show you how to construct the histogram for a binomial distribution. You can do this in Excel, but I recommend just using StatCrunch. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into calculators and go over to binomial. And n was 15, and our probability of success was 3%. So we need to do 0.03. And then we're gonna, if we just want the whole distribution and it goes up to 15, you can do less than or equal to 15. So you can see how it's high. The probability is high for 0 and it continues to go down. So let's look at these distributions. The only one that starts high and goes down would be C. See how it's up here and then it goes down? Well, that's exactly what ours does. That's how you do a histogram for a binomial distribution. Let me see if there's anything else. This is kind of similar to what we were talking about earlier. 6 made a purchase, so you would do x equals 6 in Excel, so you wouldn't want it to be cumulative. When you put that in, you're going to literally get almost 0% chance that 6 make a purchase. So that's a very low chance, almost no chance. So it's not likely that a randomly selecting 15 customers would result in 6 customers making a purchase. Let me see if there's anything else. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions about section 5.2.